Truly appreciate that. Now, in terms of quiz, when I look at, I think we have 15 questions, what I understand. And these questions, 5 questions will be around Sophos, 5 will be, outside of that. And then 5 are coming from iSoda. So it's a combination of a quiz. And I would want Mehul to play that quiz. We will together, play with all of you. It will be just like you will have to keep your mobile phone on and log in on to kahoot.it.com, and when you log in, then there will be a pin which will be displayed on the screen. You just need to fill up that particular pin on your devices, and you are just on for the game. And you start playing with us. It will be very simple, objective type of questions. You will just click the one option, the right answer for you. The faster you are able to click that, you get more points. It's very, very simple. Kahoot.it. So Mehul, over to you.
Yeah. Can the digital tech team play the PPT, which the audience can understand what are the steps to log into the Kahoot platform, and what are the prizes involved? Because there are some great prizes, like you win foot massagers, you win some great crocodile leather laptop bags, and some smart weighing scales if you have put on weight during this pandemic.
A lot of people have lost weight. Rather, I could see Ashok and everyone very, very lean. And I think people are working very hard. And Mehul, you have also lost, I think, 10, 15 kg.
Yeah.
So people are becoming more smarter. This pandemic, one thing, when you have challenge, as a human being, what I have understood, evolution theory, that more challenges are, thrown to us, we become more smarter, more stronger. And that's what people have done. So yes, can we have the slideshow?
So the team who are there as an attendees, it's very, very simple platform. Most of them has played this on this platform before. So as simple as that, what you need to do, open your smartphone browsers, type kahoot.it, and if you have application, just open Kahoot, put in your name, identify yourself with the email ID which will be asked, so that we can identify the correct winner. And I'm just sharing the game pin in next few seconds, which you can just put the game pin and get a chance to win some exciting prizes.
Your name started to appear on the screen. I'm expecting at least 200 plus kind of participants. Okay, we have Jitesh also now. Ganeshan.
Meanwhile, I'll just repeat, open the smartphone browser, Chrome or iPhone, Safari, and type in kahoot.it.